Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Printful with Amazon to start your print on demand business. We will walk through connecting Printful to your Amazon seller account, listing your first product, and how fulfillment works step by step. What is Printful and why Amazon? Printful is a print on demand service that lets you sell custom t shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more without holding inventory. When connected to Amazon, you tap into one of the world's biggest marketplaces while Printful handles printing and shipping automatically. Before connecting Printful to Amazon, here's what you need: an active Amazon professional seller account, a Printful account free at printful.com, your brand information ready for approval like store name, images, return policy. Patience. Amazon integration approval may take 2 to 7 business days. Let's connect your Amazon store to Printful. Go to printful.com, then click Get Started for a new user. You can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, or sign up with your email address only. If you already have an Printful account, just click Login and log in to your account with your login credentials. For this tutorial, I will use Google account. Then continue. Now go to Printful dashboard, then click Stores from the left sidebar, then choose Amazon from here. Click Choose Platform. Now search for Amazon Marketplace, then click Connect. Now follow the steps. Step 1: Register for an Amazon Seller Central account or log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Important things to note: to connect Amazon to Printful, you will need an Amazon Professional plan, which costs $39.99 per month plus referral fees. If you sell under your own brand, Amazon requires you to submit real-life product photos to get your GTIN or Global Trade in Item Number ex- uh, exemption. More on GTIN exemption in Step 3 Blue. Then Step 2: Choose the Amazon regions you want to sell, like US, Canada, UK, etc. Just click Authorize for North America and Europe from here. Step 3: Set up your brand name GTIN exemptions. The section will be available after you complete Step 2. Step 4: Adding and syncing your products. Good job. Once Amazon grants you the GTN exemption, you can add and sync your Printful products to your Amazon store. Now, you will need to request approval to sell with Printful. This includes brand name, return address, shipping settings. Set processing time to 3 to 5 days. Product details pages, make sure they match Amazon stores. RTOS. You may need to wait a few days for Amazon to approve your integration. Once approved, you can now publish your first product to Amazon. Go to Printful dashboard, then click Add Product from your dashboard. Choose a product like shirts, add your design, set product title, description, and a mockup and pricing. Select Amazon as the sales channel and publish. Printful will send the product data to Amazon and create a new listing automatically. When a customer places an order on Amazon, it syncs instantly to Printful. Printful prints and ships it under your brand. You get tracking information and profit after base cost. Make sure your payment method and billing are set up in Printful so they can fulfill your order smoothly. Now go to more option. You can see a drop down menu like file library, billing, payments, billing methods, Printful wallet, legal information, tax information, etc. Branding. Now let's talk about Printful. Printful is an on-demand printing and fulfillment company that helps entrepreneurs, creators, and brands sell brands sell custom products online without ever touching inventory. Here's how it works. You create your own designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Then you connect Printful to your online store, whether that's Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, or even you, your own website. When a customer places an order, Printful automatically prints, packs, and ships it directly to them under your brand name. That means you don't pay upfront for bulk inventory. You don't worry about storage or shipping, and you can focus on growing your brand. Every items is made to order and you'll only pay when you sell something. Printful also provides free product mockups, built-in design tools, and global fulfillment centers so your customers get faster delivery worldwide. Whether you are starting a side hustle or scaling an e-commerce brand, Printful gives you a low-risk way to launch and sell your own merch or April line all without any tech headaches. So that's it. And that's how you connect and use Printful with Amazon to run your print on demand business. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a walkthrough for Etsy, Shopify, or eBay next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.